What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin updates. It's great to see you all here. Yesterday I had a live stream for the people that weren't there. It was great talking to you and seeing you all again. I will be live streaming more, so if you're open for that, if you want to know more about those live streams, I will post them on YouTube, so you'll see them here, but I'll also post them on Discord, so make sure to join the Discord server if you want to be notified about them. But this video, we'll be talking about Bitcoin. See, overall, not a lot has been happening. We're down about 1% since yesterday, even though the last 24 hours, we actually had quite a lot of moves. And that's also represented in the volume. I mean, we have 35 billion in volume, once again showing that crypto is still being transacted and used a lot. This is not only trading, all right? Personally, I use Bitcoin quite a lot to get paid and to pay other people. So that's great to see. First of all, 9% of the market cap is also amazing. I'm pretty interested in what this volume, see, over the last year, we've actually, the volume has kind of stayed the same. And during these times, obviously the volume was more people buying than selling, but overall, you would think that with this volume, we could actually reach these levels again. I don't think we're going to do that, but still. So yeah, let's get right into the analysis. My analysis hasn't really changed because I still feel like, my analysis has been right since this whole move. To me, as you can see, this was the analysis I made yesterday in the video. To me, it seems just very likely that this is just another, see that we're getting this move. And we're holding on to that 19,500 level pretty well. Yesterday we got a pretty strong bullish touch. There is some volatility in the price of Bitcoin. But for me, this is just short term. And I think it's just a matter of time before we get to 20,700 and then maybe to 20,900, but I think it's just a matter of time before we drop down to our next support level, which to me is 19,000 and 18,700. That's the whole level. That has also been a major support level holding us up during that whole end of June, beginning of July thing. All right, it's just a very strong level. You can also see that we reacted to it here. We had a lot of bearish fundamentals here, and we even took a break retest off of that in very volatile markets. So this is the strongest level in the entirety of Bitcoin. In all the levels you see on this chart, 19,000 is the strongest. And therefore, I explained that earlier too. I think we can actually, from here, I think we can move up to at least 22,000 again. I also have a long trade from here. But a little bit for like, that would be the semi long term. I think initially we'll do something like this, but you shouldn't forget, and you would almost forget during bullish days, right? That this is still a bear market. And I would say that for the next like 3 months, I like if this would be our lowest point, 17,600, I would say that this is a very mild bear market. And with that, I'm trying to say that I think we're going lower. And that could also happen within the next month. As I said, I don't think initially that will happen. But end of September, we could actually break through 19,000 and drop down all the way to this level here between 17 and 16,000. That would be my first support. And upon that, I will definitely be analyzing it more. But yeah, so even though, like very short term, I'm expecting some bearish moves, and then semi short term, I'm expecting a little bit more of bullish momentum. But long term and for the rest of this year, I'm still pretty bearish on Bitcoin, and I think we're going lower. But more about that, obviously, throughout the year, throughout the weeks. For now, this is my analysis on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me about them. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care. Bye.